Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the replaced file and any immediate backups. This saves time. First, list the directory and note timestamps so you know which file changed. If you have automatic snapshots or version history, open that now. You will need it in the next step. Once done, pause and verify you're working on the correct file name and path, because restoring the wrong file creates new problems. Make sure to keep the replaced file until recovery succeeds. You will now restore the prior content using the best available source. If version history exists, open it and pick the snapshot just before the replace action, restore or download that version. If you use Git, identify the commit with git log and then run git checkout commit hash path to recover the file. Commit the fix afterward. For cloud systems, locate the activity panel and choose Restore. Once restored, verify file integrity by opening and scanning for expected content. You finish by validating the restored file and making the change permanent. Open the recovered file and compare it to what you expect. Use a diff tool for accuracy. If correct, overwrite the live copy or commit the change and immediately create a backup to prevent recurrence. Make sure to test the application or workflow that uses the file. If something goes wrong, try a file diff to find discrepancies, rerun recovery from an earlier snapshot, or contact your system.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.